Alright, I'm going to show you how to set up a roaming profile. So, I'm going to go to start. This is on your server. That's my server. That's another computer that's on the domain. So, on the server, you go to administrative tools. You go to DHCP. No, sorry. You go up to Active Directory User and Computers. Okay. So I'm back off. I hope you guys can see it because I don't have a good camera. So now this is going to list all my users. The two users that I have that can actually log in are Adam Schendel, and that's a user, and the administrator, which is another user. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on users over here. There you go. New. Now we're going to go to user, and so let's make a new user. We will call it Pro. Now we'll call it Server. So we're gonna, first name is going to be Server, last name is going to be 2008 R2. What 2008 R2 is that's the version of OS that I have on there. This is the OS. It's 2008 R2, Windows Server 2008 R2. It's the server edition of Windows 7. And login name, oil name, we'll call it Server. No, not Server. Server. Alright, so got your first name, server, last name, 2008 R2, and then it puts in the full name, and then the login name, server, and then there's your domain. So next, and we'll put a password. Let's see, put alright, and then there's a bunch of options like user must change password at next login, user cannot change password, password never expires, account is disabled. I'll put password never expires. That's just a warning saying that the password won't expire. I'm not sure if the password content will be enough for it. Looks like it is. Alright, so and then this brings us to full name, user login, and then the password never expires, and then we'll click finish. Yeah, because that was because my password didn't meet, so we'll have to do a different password. Give me a sec. Alright, so I'm having trouble setting it. Alright, so there we go. Now we got the password was accepted, and now there's a user right there. So, I believe we're going to right click, do properties, and we're going to go to profile. So, got the profile path right there. Then we'll go to connect path. The home folder, now this is what's going to make it so the user has a roaming profile. So we'll go start, my computer, and then it'll bring us up to your hard drives. I'm gonna put it on my 500 gig hard drive, and I'm gonna create a new folder. I'm gonna call it server. Enter. And then we don't need to rename it. Then we're gonna right click properties, go up to sharing, make sure it's shared, and type in your username. That's the username there. So hit enter, so it brings up the full username. And then I like to change it so they can write to it too, just me. And then click share, and it sets it up. So there's our path. So that's gonna be the home path for it. So Windows, done, close. I'll go back here. Then right click on properties, go to profile, we'll throw it in the E. Now we need the name of the computer, and that's what that thing was. So let me type all that in. So you go backslash backslash, name of the computer, and then once you get the name, put backslash home, then put backslash the username. If you forgot the username, back to general. And we have to get a profile path, which I believe is about the same. We'll go backslash backslash. Go backslash profile backslash. Give me a sec, I forgot. Well, we're good though. Alright. So, yeah, it is backslash profile backslash home. Alright. To get the profile path, I'll just show you a different user. This is Adam. This is the path to get to it. So profile is just another folder on the big 500 gig hard drive there. So profile path is backslash backslash. That's computer name. Then backslash the folder name. And then backslash the username. And then same thing goes here. So next win, that's the computer name, the folder name for the profile for the user, and then the user's full name. And you click OK. And we'll just get out of that. I'll mess with that a lot later. We'll make that our mandatory. So then we'll go KVM switch, logs it over to that computer there. Now we're at the Control Delete screen. We'll do that. And this is for Adam. So this isn't the username we created. This is one that I already had, but it's a roaming profile. So we'll go to Adam, enter in the password. And then we'll click go. And this should log us into the domain and all the information that we save on this profile. We'll go here and we'll put test, and test is up there. I don't know if you can see that all too well. There's test again. So we'll file, save as, and this is where that one file that we created for the connect to, this is what makes it so you have your own. So the user has their own folder, and we'll save it as new text document, apostrophe, not apostrophe, quotation marks, these little things, whatever. We'll name it that. New text document. And we'll name it test. How about that? It makes it real simple. Click save, and so that's saved to the hard drive. So log out. Alright, so that's logging off. Walk over to another computer that's on the domain and connects to the server. Log over to this one, and there it is already. I've already signed into it. See, so we'll go ahead and show my computer. Alright, there's my computer, and this is the drive. Click on there, and there's test. Alright, so that's how you set up a roaming profile. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching.